and Merry Christmas from Keith Rucker at VintageMachinery.org. Guys, we had a little drawing giveaway that we put up a couple of weeks ago on my site, and today, Christmas Day 2018, is the day that we're making those drawings to determine who's going to be the winners of our Osborn Abrasive Giveaway that we're doing this year. Now, Osborn stepped up. They were kind enough to sponsor this year's giveaway. And the grand prize is going to be a wall board, kind of like this one right back here. It's going to come fully loaded and stocked with various Osborn abrasive wheels that you can put on grinders and so forth. They've also put in a couple of consolation prizes, I guess you'd say. They're giving away 3 packs of just what they're calling a cut, grind, and flat package, which will be some cutting disc, grinding disc, and flap disc. There's also going to go out to 3 additional people. So here's the deal. I had a total of 1,422 people who submitted their names for the drawing. I've got those in a spreadsheet on my computer. We're going to go into the house and we're going to do the drawing in there on the computer using random number generators and going and looking at that, comparing it to the spreadsheet to figure out who won. So we're going to cut to that right now and go and pick our winners. All right, guys, so the way we're going to play this is we're going to do the grand prize first. This is going to be for the wall mount abrasive display, and I'm going to be using random.org. This is just going to generate a random number from a certain range, and I'm going to set my range up here. My minimum number is going to be 2 because the first line in my spreadsheet, I've got all the entries in a spreadsheet that I can sort through. The first line is actually a header, so I'm going to, number 2 will be the minimum line. Then we had 1,423 total lines in the spreadsheet, and I'm going to click on generate here. This is going to select the winner, which is number 1174. Let me write that down. And now we're going to jump over to the spreadsheet and see who this winner is. So let's look up our grand prize winner. I've got the spreadsheet here. We're going to give you the name and where they're from. I got the addresses grayed out where you guys can't see them, but I can. So let's go to 1174 in the spreadsheet. We'll scroll down here, 1174. All right, so we have Brad Ryan, who is from Roanoke, Indiana. Brad says he likes to do machining and fabrication in his shop. And Brad, you're going to be the winner of our grand prize, which will be the wall mount abrasive display from Osborn Abrasives. And Osborn will be sending that out directly to you. So you can be looking for that in the mail from them, hopefully sometime here real soon. All right, let's go check and see who our 3 winners of the cut, grind, flat packages will be. So now we're going to be selecting our first winner for the cut, grind, and flat packages. And let's go ahead and generate a number here. It is number 808. Write this down. And now we'll go back to the spreadsheet and see who that winner is. Now let's scroll down here to 808. Here we go. 808 is Michael Reed, who is from Springfield, Illinois. Says he works in his shop in both wood and metal. So Michael, congratulations. You're going to be the first winner of our 3 cut, grind, and flat packages. And again, Osborn will be sending these out directly to you. So be on the lookout for a package from them very soon. Let's go pick our second cut, grind, flat package winner. And for the second winner of the cut, grind, flat packages, we have number 961. Write this down, 961, and we'll go check and see who that is. Let's scroll down to 961. 961. 961 is John Crissom. John is from Toledo, Ohio, and says he primarily does woodworking and metal fab tool work. So, all right, congratulations, John. You are winner number 2 of the cut, grind, flat packages. And now let's go find our third and final winner of the cut, grind, flat packs. And now let's go figure out who our third and final winner is of the cut, grind, flat packages. We'll generate a number. That number is 787. And let's scroll up, find 787. 787 is 787. All right, 787 is Jeff Webb Jr. Jeff is from Pierce, California, and he does welding primarily in his shop. So
Jeff, congratulations. You are winner number 3 of the cut, grind, flat packages from Osborn. Again, those will be shipped directly from Osborn, so be on the lookout for that coming to your mailbox soon.
Well, there you go. There are our winners that we have. Grand prize, the wall mount display back here, fully loaded with Osborn Abrasives, are going to Brad Ryan out in Roanoke, Indiana. And our cut, grind, and flat packages are going to go to Michael Reed of Springfield, Illinois, John Chrissom of Toledo, Ohio, and Jeff Webb Jr. of Paris, California. Congratulations to each and every one of you. And again, I want to thank Osborn Abrasives for sponsoring this year's event. These guys really stepped up and are doing a great job. They make a great product. I've been using them in my shop now for some time and really have enjoyed working with this. They hold up well. They do a great job. I'd encourage you, if you're in the market for some, go take a look at them. I know you can find a good bit of their selection is on Amazon.com. They told me to be sure and look for the ones that are Amazon Prime, or as that are the ones that are coming directly from Osborn. There are some third-party vendors who are selling on there, which there's nothing wrong with shopping from them too, guys, but usually the prices are a lot higher than if you're getting them directly from Osborn. So look for the Amazon Prime signal, and that will tell you that is coming directly from Osborn, and in most cases, I think you'll find the prices a little bit cheaper than from some of the third-party vendors that are out there. Also, I think you can order their products or pick them up at Fastenal stores, which Fastenal is a big our big retailer around the U.S. A lot of towns have a Fastenal store. If they don't have them in stock, I know you can order them through Fastenal and MSC and maybe some of the other places as well. And so with that, that's going to be a wrap on this episode. Just want to thank everybody again for entering the contest. I want to thank all of my viewers out there for being viewers of my channel here and supporting me for some time now just by watching the videos, guys. It's awesome. I thank you so much. And I want to wish everybody out there a very, very Merry Christmas in 2018. And we're going to look forward to a very prosperous 2019 coming up ahead. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you next time around.